All right, we are just flattening our pumpkin cookie dough in our greased pizza pan. All right, this is what we want it to look like. Okay, and my oven is set to 350, and this is gonna bake for like 7 minutes, super quick. All right, well that's in the oven. I'm gonna grab a large bowl, and I have here 1 block of cream cheese that we let soften, and we're putting that right in our bowl. Next, I'm coming in with some powdered sugar, and we're gonna add a cup of powdered sugar to that cream cheese. We are just making a simple no-bake cheesecake to put on top of our delicious pumpkin cookie. Oh my. This is my favorite fall dessert. So easy, so simple. Even your kids can make it, and that's why I love it. We're gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla. Don't add too much because we don't want our cheesecake mixture to turn brown. So a teaspoon should be perfect. And that is it. 3-ingredient, no-bake cheesecake. We're gonna turn on our hand mixer and give this a quick little mix. You could probably even use a whisk because our cream cheese is softened. You can even use whipped cream cheese if you don't have time to let your cream cheese soften. But we are just gonna mix this together until it is a smooth and delicious cheesecake texture. Oh my, that looks so creamy and delicious. Let's make sure to get all of that excess off. Perfect. And then we're gonna pop this in the fridge while our cookie cools. Oh my, okay, we let our cookie completely cool. It smells incredible. I'm coming back in with our no-bake cheesecake, and we are just gonna scoop this right in the middle and kind of spread it. It's probably not gonna reach the edges, but we can get a nice little coating on the middle of this. You could also just use a cream cheese frosting if that's what you prefer, because making, things from scratch obviously isn't for everybody. But let's go ahead and kind of spread this the best our ability. All right, that looks absolutely perfect. Just a nice little border that we left. Now I'm coming in with my caramel, and I did heat this up a little bit, and to kind of just get a fun little design, I'm gonna put my whisk in there, and then we're just gonna drizzle that on top. The caramel is completely optional. I just think it adds such a yummy flavor, and look how cute it looks. Just a little decoration almost on top of our pumpkin cookie pizza. All right, last but not least, we are going to add some sprinkles. All right, final touch to our delicious dessert. So easy, so yummy. You can make everything homemade, or you could keep it simple like how I did. And look how cute that looks with the sprinkles. Pumpkin cheesecake pizza cookie. Oh my. All right, time to cut into our pizza cookie. Okay, look at that perfect slice. Oh my. And remember, we only use 1 pack of cookies, so our cookie's pretty thin, but that doesn't mean it's not gonna be delicious. And I just have my fork here. You could eat it like a pizza, but I'm gonna use my fork. And we have our pumpkin cheesecake cookie pizza. I'm so excited. That is so good, you guys.